Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all the viewers who are watching this video from across the world. I'm Arpit from TelcoLearn, and I'm going to talk about a new course offering that's called TelcoCloud Engineering. Before we move on to further details, let me talk about the trainer profile. First, we have Mr. Sanjay Kumar. He's a telecom expert and he has been active in this area of upskilling, learning development, as well as consulting for more than 25 years. Next, it's me, Arpit. I'm a telecom researcher, active in this area for more than 5 years now, and actively working on problems related to network optimization as well as cellular communication security. Uh, Talking about our association, so we are associated with Bharat 6G Alliance. We are part of Voice Consortium. We are recognized as one of TCOE Telecom Center of Excellence. We are also part of Startup India as well as Microsoft Founders Hub. And we have been extensively training for various organizations, be it telecom equipment manufacturers or IT service, IT engineering service, or it could be cloud service or network service provider. Along with these companies, we have also been actively upskilling the upcoming talent that is from the educational institutions so that they are future ready to be deployed in the industry. And you can follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, as well as Telegram, and what we have been actively doing for over the years is offering various courses, a 1 day program, 2 day program, or a longer duration program as well, on various technologies like 5G core, 5G radio, 5G networks, SDN, NFV. So there have been a large set of offerings to corporate and individuals. And talking about this session, because it's an open session, so we'll not get into the deep concepts of what we are going to offer, but we'll give an overview of what all things we are going to offer. So moving on to the next part, uh, there are few, we'll be recording here as it is recording the video. So coming on to straight away to the course that we are offering, hands-on telco cloud engineering. So we'll be covering the concepts like Linux, cloud native like DevOps, Kubernetes, Docker, and we'll be also talking about the fundamental topics like software-defined network and the network function virtualization. So this will be a weekend program. We'll be starting. We plan to start it by 21st of February. That's coming weekend. So it's a limited seat, so you can quickly secure your seat by going into the link that is already given in the description, or maybe it will be available in the caption. So coming on to what will be the content. So we'll be starting the course with the basic Python programming as well as the basic of Linux, so that you get understanding of both the system administration as well as scripting that could be used for server management. Next, we'll be talking about the version control, Git and GitHub, and CI/CD integration. We also talk about DevOps automation. As mentioned, we'll be talking about extensively about cloud native and their applications in 5G and 6G networks. We also cover observability. We also talk about infrastructure as a code, where we cover Terraform fundamentals. We also would give a brief overview of various cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, Azure, and talking about various cloud native principles and deployment patterns. And goes without fail that we will be talking about telco fundamentals for a general audience, so that everyone can first quickly revise what are the 4G and 5G concepts that will be applicable and that will be utilized for telco cloud. So as we know, the key characteristics of clouds, it's on-demand access to resource, you pay as you go pricing model, it's scalable and flexible, and it could be whether public, private, or hybrid. And whereas the cloud native means any application or any service that utilizes or exploits the benefit of cloud. So, for example, the application built using Docker or Kubernetes can be used and can be scaled across various cloud platforms. The key characteristics will be the microservice architecture, containerization, orchestration, that means stitching of these microservices together, and finally the resilience. Therefore, we call it as a telco cloud. because it's a specialized cloud infrastructure, it is exclusively tailored for telecommunication networks. So the focus is majorly running telecom workloads like the core RAN, OSS, BSS system using cloud principles, for example, virtualization, containerization. So we'll just see a quick overview. So your legacy client server applications were running over hypervisors. And over those hypervisors, there were VM and there was OS that was adding to the overhead to the entire legacy system. When we move from the legacy client server applications to the cloud native or the microservice based application, we are removing this overhead. Instead, we are running them as a microservice or a cloud native function, so that the dependencies are also stitched along with the application. So that's the typical difference. Therefore, this helps you to reduce the latency and response time, which is an essential requirement of modern communication networks. And therefore, we call these network functions like AUSF, AMF, SMF. These all could be referred to as virtual network functions, and they talk to each other through this service-based interface and via the API calls. And this collective architecture is referred to as service-based architecture. Now, coming straight away to the logistics of this program. So as I already mentioned, we plan to start it in February itself. So the core start date will be 21st of February. The duration we claim, at least we will, the initial thought is to keep this duration to 8 weeks. Based on the requirement, we may extend it to 1 or 2 more weeks. And the timings for the course will be both Saturday and Sunday. It will be 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And this timing is in IST. And just in case if you miss a couple of sessions, the recordings will be available for all the participants, so that you can watch the video. If you missed out the video for any other commitment or maybe some internet or some other issue, so you will be able to cover this. You'll be able to watch this video. And this again, once again, I'm reminding, this time is Indian Standard Time, IST, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. For fees and group discounts or various early bird offers, you can please reach out to us. We have a WhatsApp group. I have shared the link of that WhatsApp group in the chat, as well as in the caption. So you can follow the group from there, and you can post your queries, you can post your questions there. So thank you.